This is why you need egg whites in your beauty routine. Ready to glow and shine? Let's dive in. Egg whites are your new best friend for glowing skin and shiny hair. First up, let's talk face masks. Just whip up an egg white, apply it to your face, and let it sit for 15 minutes. This mask tightens your skin and minimizes pores. Bye-bye, blackheads! Next, let's tackle hair. Want to add shine and strength? Mix egg white with a teaspoon of olive oil and a dash of honey. Apply it from roots to tips, leave it for 20 minutes, then wash it out. Your hair will be silky smooth and super shiny. And here's a quick tip. Got oily skin? Dab on some egg white to reduce excess oil without drying your skin. It's like magic. Remember, always do a patch test first to make sure you're not allergic. And don't forget to rinse thoroughly to avoid any eggy smell. So there you have it. Simple, natural, and effective egg white hacks for glowing skin and shiny hair. Give it a try and get ready to shine. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and follow for more DIY beauty tips. See you next time.